Welcome back, folks. It's another brisk, cool morning. We're supposed to be pouring concrete today, and that is not gonna happen. Got a bunch of rain again yesterday, and guys had to call off. So they're thinking of pushing it till Monday, but I have the guys coming to set the garage doors Monday, so. Scheduling conflict. Can't talk this morning, probably because it's so cold. But should have a guy coming out today to hang on just a minute and I'll turn you around. Should have a guy coming out this morning to start putting the scratch coat on these walls. So got power in the building. I don't know if I showed y'all that recently. Have some stuff in the shop here, but trying to make sure I leave enough room so they can come set these doors. I can't wait. It's going to be exciting. Also, don't know if I've showed you this. I have my doors cut in now. This is going to be our little bathroom, and this is going to be our little laundry room. Plan on dropping the floor in the shower so we can have a curbless shower, about 3 foot by 6 foot. And then in the bathroom, just a toilet and vanity over here, dryer, washer, and I'll probably put a little water heater up on top of this room. Brought the camper back out, got it in place, like I say, trying to leave enough room for these guys to set these doors. I think I got everything positioned where they'll have plenty of room. Should be a 14-foot door. I left, I don't know, 17 or so feet. A little tricky getting the camper positioned by myself so that everything worked out and everybody's got enough room. I mentioned we got more rain yesterday, and I just come out here and smeared some mud around so that this water will run off. I got it running down the side of the road back towards the ditch back there. It's coming along. This was holding water up here. There's a couple little puddles, but this was a huge puddle before, so got that water running out that way. Summertime gets here and everything's able to dry up. I'll get this thing shaped and graded and permanent ditches where they need to be, and get some dirt moved up here so that this water's not ponding up. Something fun. We got our little truck back yesterday. It's running really good. Thank you, Ricky. Might end up selling that. If y'all know anybody who wants a little right-hand drive Daihatsu air-conditioned 4-wheel drive. It's running good now. Hate to get rid of it, but I think we're going a different route. I'm gonna get something different. All right, the road coming in is nasty and sloppy, so probably gonna fire up the dump truck after a couple guys come and meet me here. Anyway, fire up the dump truck and see if I can't go buy a load of rock, and put in some of these bad places in the driveway coming in here. All right, just a little update. Also priced my materials to do the front porch. Well, waiting on a price. Hopefully I'll have those back today, and that price back today, and we can get started on that also. That'd be a fun little build. Appreciate y'all tuning in. Stick around. All right, welcome back. Today's a big day. We have garage doors coming. So brought the Mini, not to hang garage doors of course, but I still have some drainage issues, so get some dirt knocked around. But yeah, today is the day we get to close up these holes. Found somebody to help me with this stonework. You can see they've come and put scratch coat all the way from that corner all the way around and all the way down to the other corner. Still like about I don't know, 75 foot in total. I think it's like 68 foot down that other side, and then a couple short pieces on the back. Yeah, hopefully they'll show up today and maybe get the rest of that scratch coat put on. I don't know, the temperature's dropping again. It's the mid 30s this morning, but this is some of my drainage issue. It's just winter and it's wet and nothing dries really fast. I did do a little shovel work through here and had this draining last night because that was a huge pond. It's a little better. Still a little sloppy on top through here. Concrete's supposed to be coming tomorrow for a little bathroom and laundry room back there, and a 24 by 24 slab outside this door, 7 by 16s outside the big doors, and then the front porch 7 by 10. So all right, stick around and I'll hopefully get to show you these garage doors after they're up and finished today. I did have to come in here and put spring pads. You'll see the one odd board up there on top of each one of these doors. The guy said I needed a spring pad up there, so I come in here and reworked all that yesterday. And yeah, spring pad on top of each door, so hopefully they got what they need now. One thing I'm not sure of is we're putting openers, putting a jack shaft opener. So I may have to come there and put some sort of blocking. I don't know what that's gonna be yet. Something to mount the opener to. One on that door, and I'm thinking this back door back here. So we'll see. If I need it, I'll get up there and rework that and put some blocks up there, probably some 2x10 or something, just to have something to mount the door opener to. All right, water supply is doing good. The guy that was putting the scratch coat on had it down to like 175, and then we got some rain yesterday and we're up to, let's see, that's 175, just under 200. So that's a lot of water. just to be collecting off the roof. So, all right, stick around. One more thing before I let you go. So from that L box there, all the way, don't know if you can see it right out there. Where's my finger? Get my finger out of the way. It's right out there is the stop. That's where the well's going. I measured that yesterday. That's basically 225 feet. So got to get some well line or some PVC and be ready to put that in. Also got to figure out 225 foot of wire to run from there all the way out. Let's see if I can zoom in. All the way out there. So, and then this is my drainage issue I need to work on. So where the house is going over here, probably need to go ahead and get the permitting process started because the building took 9 weeks to get permits during what I would consider a slow part of the year. So anyway, you can probably see it. There's a bunch of water out there. I can get that water to go there, and then there's a ditch out there that I can carry it to. So that's what I'm gonna do. Well, day 2 of the door guys being here, and I think they stacked 1 or 2 more panels on top of the 14-foot doors. They got these 12-foot doors operable now. So they hung all the track and got the springs working. We poured some concrete today. A little 7x15 or so pad there, just a little apron. My little front porch here, nothing special. I'll figure out how I'm gonna fasten those posts later, but used up I don't know, a few gallons of water today. It's been one of those days. Concrete truck come in, went to the neighbors, got stuck in the yard. So that concrete, they just sent that truck, same truck, and that's what they poured this with. It'd probably been on the truck, close to 2 hours. So I'm gonna keep an eye on this. I don't know what it's gonna do. I hate to see them tear it up, but if that's what happens, so be it. Door guys, day 2 didn't show up with this door again. Blamed it on the guys pouring concrete, which is fine, whatever. The roll-up door in there, didn't have it on the truck. Oh, always something, always something. Got our little slab for our bathroom poured. Pretty nice slick finish on that. Dropped the shower down, I think about 1.5 inches, 1.25 inches, something like that. So it's gonna be nice. I can start, I can get that framed up right here in the near future. And then one more apron back here. So it's shaping up. I think I showed you all the scratch coat. Leo's got scratch coat on all the way around. It's looking good. Another panel or 2 stacked on top of the big door. Man, I'm digging these cedar plank doors. Nice. They are steel doors. I don't know if that's a paint or a print or what on it. I'll show you something one of these days when I can get up there and walk on that concrete. But yeah, just a quick update. Day 2 for the door guys. Still going. All right. This might be the end of this video. I don't know if I'll get back out here before the weekend, and I need to post something. It's been a while. Big Sue didn't want to cooperate today. She cranked up and then shut back down, probably 45 seconds after she started up. So I'm thinking I need to do the fuel filters and probably while this thing's sitting, let it sit and drain some of that fuel out the tank, see what kind of stuff I got in there. The concrete guys, when we did the foundation on the shop, they drove in. This road was fine, and we brought all the concrete trucks in, all that good stuff. But I do have it blocked off up there. They decided to go around my buckets that I had blocking it off, and anyway, come in here and made a dog's mess out of this, and had the truck stuck. We got it. They left it there through the day, and we got it out this afternoon. But yeah, that was the reason I was trying to get Big Sue cranked up and get her out the way, and then he could have just drove straight out through there. But oh no, she didn't want to cooperate, so I had to take the Mini and manhandle the truck, drug him backwards, and then come around the front and hooked the chain to him and picked him up and drug him out of however many stump holes we tried to drive through there. But it is what it is. All right, folks, appreciate y'all watching. If you will, make sure you're subscribed and hit that thumbs up button. Leave me a comment, and we'll catch you on the next one.